Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the lower spray nozzle assembly on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new lower spray nozzle assembly for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's lower spray nozzle assembly rotates and sprays water to clean the dishes in the lower rack. If it becomes damaged, clogged, or worn out, you may need to replace it, as this can affect the dishwasher's cleaning performance. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Then, fully extend the lower dish rack and lift it up and out. The lower spray nozzle is located here on the bottom of the dishwasher's tub. To remove, firmly but carefully pull up on the underside of the spray nozzle to clear the retaining tabs. If you need to purchase a new lower spray nozzle assembly, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the lower spray nozzle assembly to the port in the sump cover and press until it snaps into place. Now, align the wheels on the lower dish rack to the grooves on the door and set it into place. Finally, push the dish rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.